Look, I will be honest with you. 6 months ago, I was spending more time writing client report and cleaning search term reports than I was actually doing strategy work on my accounts. And that is the stuff that actually matters, right? That is the stuff clients are paying you for. So I started using Claude, not just chatting with it like most people do, but actually training it to do things the way I do them. And it's completely changed how I manage accounts. So in this video, I want to show you exactly what I have set up, how it works, and how you can do the same thing. I run a Google Ads agency, so I am in accounts every single day. What I'm about to show you is not a theory. This is what I actually use week in, week out. I'm Iram. I run Fuel Digital. That is my Google Ads agency. And today I want to walk you through something that is genuinely made a big difference on how I work. And I think it will do the same for you if you manage Google Ads account. So here is what we will go through. First, I will quickly explain what Claude skills are and why they are different from just asking AI a question. Then I will show you the 5 skills I have built for account management, and then we will talk about the actual time saving because that's what matters at the end of the day. If you are new here, I post Google Ads tutorial every week. So hit subscribe if that is your thing, right? Let's get into it. So here is the thing. Most people use AI the wrong way for Google Ads. They open Claude or ChatGPT, they ask it to write some ad copy or review their account, and they get this really generic, surface level answer. You know the type, consider improving your quality score or try writing some compelling headlines like this. Thanks. I know that's already. And the reason you get that rubbish output is because the AI has no idea how you work. It does not know your audit process. It does not know your reporting format. It does not know that you want RSA headlines counted to 30 characters with the count shown next to each one. So, a skill is basically a permanent instruction file that you give to Claude. You write it once. Here is how I want audit done. Here is the 12 things I check. Here is how I want the findings presented. And then every time you ask Claude to do that task, it follows your process, not some generic process, but only yours. So it's like hiring a junior account manager and training them up with your SOPs. Except this one does not forget the process on a Friday afternoon when they are tired. It follows the same framework every single time. And honestly, the better you write the instruction, the less you have to fix the output. Spend 5 minutes writing good rules and you will save yourself hours of editing later. Right. So let me show you the actual skills I have built. I have got 5 of them that cover what I would call the core account management workflow. I will tell you what each one does and why I built it. So the first one is account auditor. And this was actually the first skill I built because audits were taking me ages. If you do a proper audit, I mean a proper one, not just a quick glance. You are looking at campaign structure, conversion tracking, bid strategies, keyword health, ad copy, extensions, audiences, landing pages, budget, performance max, competitive positioning, geo, and scheduling. So that's 12 areas, and to do that thoroughly, you are looking at 3 to 5 hours minimum. So I built a skill that runs through all 12 of those pillars. But the key thing, and this is what makes it useful rather than just another AI checklist, is that it dollarizes every single finding. So instead of saying this keyword has a high CPA, which let's be honest tells you nothing, it says this keyword spent $847 last month with zero conversion. Pausing it saves $847 per month, right? That's something you can actually act on, and that is something you can show a client. And it prioritizes everything. Broken conversion tracking, that's flagged as critical because it corrupts your entire bidding system. Missing a callout extension, low priority. You fix the big stuff first. Now, I want to be clear. You still need to review the output because like AI is there to help you, not just to replace you. So you are still the strategist. But what used to take me 3 to 5 hours now takes about 45 minutes because the heavy lifting is already done. This one's probably my favorite because search term analysis is the most tedious job in Google Ads. Everyone knows they should be doing it. Most people don't do it often enough. And that is how 20 to 30% of your budget just quietly disappears on rubbish queries. So you export your search term report, upload the CSV, and the skill goes through every single query. It sorts them into 4 buckets: relevant, irrelevant, ambiguous, and expansion opportunities. But here, what makes it really good, it does not just look at individual term. It finds pattern. So if you have got 20 irrelevant queries that all contain the word free, it does not give you 20 negatives. It gives you one phrase match negative free that catches all of them plus any future variation. And every recommendation has a dollar figure attached. These 47 negatives saves you roughly 2,300 a month. It calculates that from the actual data in the report. So it also spots growth opportunities, search terms that are converting well but are not in your keyword list. So you are not just cutting waste, you are finding new stuff to get after. What used to take me a full afternoon, let's say 2000 queries, now takes about only 20 minutes. So here's a quick tip, run this weekly on your biggest account. The savings added up really fast. All right, RSA writing. Look, nobody enjoys writing 15 headlines and 4 descriptions for the same ad group and then doing it again for the next ad group and the next one. It's repetitive, it's fiddly with the character limits, and when you have got 10 ad groups to write for, it takes a full day. So this skill takes 3 inputs, the keywords, the landing page or offer, and the business detail, and it gives you a full RSA. 15 headlines, 4 descriptions, character count shown right next to each one. And each headline is tagged with what it is doing. This one's the keyword match headlines, this one's benefit, and this one's urgency. This one's a social proof. So you can see at a glance that you have got proper diversity for ad strength. The copy is specific too. It does not write get great results. Nobody clicks on that. It writes something like cut your CPF 40% in 30 days. Numbers, outcomes, specifics. And it adjusts to intent. The copy for someone searching emergency plumber near me sounds completely different from someone searching best CRM for small businesses because they are in totally different mindsets. What used to take 2 to 3 hours per campaign now takes about 15 minutes per ad group. You generate, you review, you tweak the bits that need client specific detail, and you are done. Just double check the character count before you upload. The scale is careful about it, but it is always worth a second look. Okay, so this is the one that probably saves me the most time overall. Because if you run an agency, reporting is a massive time sink. It's not hard work, it's just slow. You pull the data, put it into a table, and then you sit there for 45 minutes trying to write a narrative that sounds intelligent and does not just repeat the numbers. And if you have got 10 clients, that's 10 of those reports every single month. You can easily lose a full day to it. So, what I do now is paste the performance data into Claude, could be a form of CSV, a Google Sheet export, even a screenshot, and the scale writes the whole report. It starts with an executive summary that actually tells a story and not here are the numbers. So the Claude report should something would be like this. November delivered the strongest lead volume in 6 months. 240 leads at the $30 CPA, beating the $45 target by 16%. So that is the kind of opening that makes a client feel good about paying your fee. Then it builds a KPI comparison table, this month versus last month versus target with percentage changes. Then a campaign by campaign breakdown that explains why things change, not just CPA decreased 24%, but the actual reason. Bit strategy, exited learning, new ad copy improved CTR, we cut $1,200 in wasted search term, and it finishes with the next month plan. What you are changing and why? Because good agencies don't just report backward, they show the client what is coming next. Each report used to take me about 45 minutes, now it's only 10 to 15 minutes. Across 10 clients, that's around 5 to 7 hours saved every month, every single month. And the last one is the campaign builder. So the first four skills all deal with existing accounts, auditing them, cleaning them, writing ads for them, reporting on them. But every time you onboard a new client, you have got to build the whole thing from scratch, right? So campaign structure, let's say keywords grouping, match types, bid strategies, budgets, location, targeting, language setting, networks, extensions, negative keyword. It's a lot of work before you even switch anything on. So this skill takes a client brief, what the business does, who their audience is, the budget and the goal, and it builds out a complete campaign architecture. And I mean complete. Every campaign has a proper name, not campaign one or test. There is naming convention. Every ad group has 8 to 15 keywords grouped by intent. Every keyword has a match type with a reason for why that match type was chosen. Every campaign setting is locked down. Location targeting on presence only, search partners off, display networks off on search campaign. And it is also smart about budget. If you have got a $2,000 a month account, it gives you a 2 to 3 focus campaign. If you have got $15,000, it builds out full coverage. Brand, non-brand, segmented by services, remarketing. Performance max because it knows that splitting a small budget across 10 campaigns means none of them get enough data to actually learn. So it also builds negative keyword lists from day one. Job seekers, DIY queries, free seekers, competitors term, all the obvious junk that you know is going to waste budget if you don't block it upfront. And there is a launch checklist at the end. You tick through it, make sure everything right, and you are ready to go live. What used to take me 3 to 4 hours for a new client now takes about 45 minutes. And honestly, I sometimes catch things in the AI output that I might have missed if I have been doing it manually because I was rushing to get through the setup. But, and this is important, you still need to apply your own judgment. The skills gives you a really strong starting point, but you know the client business better than any AI does. Always review the keyword grouping and the bid strategy choices with your own experiences. So let's add it all up because this is the bit actually of what matters. Account audits 4 hours down to about 45 minutes. Search term reviews 3 hours down to 20 minutes. RSA copy 3 hours down to about 30 minutes. Client reporting 8 hours a month down to about 2. Campaign bills 4 hours down to about 45 minutes. So that's roughly 22 hours of work compressed into 4. And those extra 18 hours, that is the time you can spend on actual strategy, on client relationship, on growing your business, on taking on more accounts without burning yourself out. And here is what I didn't expect. The quality of the output actually went up because the skill follows the same framework every time. They don't get tired on a Friday afternoon and skip the benchmark comparison. They don't forget to build the negative keyword list because they are in a rush. The consistency just goes up when you have got a system. So, to sum it up, skills turn Claude from a generic chatbot into something that actually works the way you work. I have got 5 of them for account management: auditor, system analyst, RSA generator, reporting narrator, and campaign builder. And together they cover the most time consuming stuff in the job. The time savings are real, roughly 18 hours a week if you are managing multiple accounts. If you want to see any of these skills in action, like a live walkthrough where I actually audit an account on build a campaign from a client brief, just drop the skill name in the comments and I will make that video next. I also have got a Google Ads Quick Start Guide. Link is in the description if you want to grab it. And if you found this useful, hit subscribe. I post Google Ads tutorial every week. Right? I will see you in the next one.